Another video. Here we go. I'm excited, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hop right into it today. I don't even know. This is like episode 5 or something of my favorite Galaxy S21 case. So currently, Crave is in number 1, first place. Done several videos already about this case. I'm loving it so far. I'm taking it off for this video. Done several cases already. The last one, in my opinion, came close as the number 2. It was this one right here. This is NTG's case. So this is runner-up in second place. Right now, we have one other Spigen case, but in this video, we're also doing a Spigen case. This is the liquid air case for Galaxy S21 5G 6.2 inch variant. Packaging on this one, hands down, is the best so far. It's not even close. This does have like the best packaging out of all of them. Here is the packaging itself. Let's just focus on that. As you can see, Galaxy S21, and here is the back. And here's me. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this out of the box, unbox it, and slap it on my phone and see how it feels. Here we got the case itself right here. Here is my phone. Put that right next to it. Here's the Crave case, the one I've been currently rocking. Love this thing so much. And yeah, I never thought like something would outperform the Taurus case, which I've had for like almost a year at this point. But it's kind of crazy that Crave just comes out of nowhere and just takes like first place. Really solid case. And honestly, like I got that one last. I just kind of, it didn't have the most reviews. I saw it. I was like, maybe I'll pick this one up too. Because like they advertised the gray version on Amazon, like on like the homepage. And I was like, oh, they got a black version? Let me pick out that. But yeah, packaging here, pretty self-explanatory. Like none of this stuff comes with anything. It's usually just the case itself. But yeah, let's get into this one. This one is, oh, what do we got? Spigen fast wireless charging pad, max 15 watts. So we got some advertising for their charger. Okay. Speaking, you really want me to buy your charger? So this, I can tell already, this is a much lighter case. I like the design on the inside right here. It looks like, I don't know, sort of like a Spider-Man sort of thing going on here, which is kind of cool. But yeah, a lot more flimsy, a lot more flexible. That's not a bad thing necessarily. Solid texture on the back, definitely grippy, which I like. But I think in terms of drop protection, shatter protection, that sort of thing, this is not going to compete with the hard shell of the Crave case, as we could see right here. Line those all up. But I have a feeling this one's going to be solid. I'm feeling like this is going to be in third place, but we'll have to see. This is a very thin case, I can tell already. Cutouts look good. Cutouts for the top of the mic. Buttons look solid. I like the grip on the side. And this does feel pretty premium for the most part. Large cutout at the bottom, which I do like right there. So let's slap this thing on, see what we got. Ooh. Ooh. This is nice. Wow. This is nice. Let's test the buttons. Ooh. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna, oh, this is such a nice case. This is a nice case. This is what I've been waiting for. Now, I do have a preference for hard shell plastic just for protection. So I think that's why I'm going to keep Crave for now. And I still like this one because it's slim and has a hard plastic back. But if you want a slim minimalist design, like very slim. This is a very slim case, as you can see from the side profile right here. Very, very slim. If you want this Spigen case is phenomenal. I rate this. This is number 2 on my list at the moment. I like this thing. This thing, it looks fresh, has a nice textured back. Really, really nice textured back. Textured sides, ridge, as you can see right there. Spigen. Actually, I think my first case for my iPhone 4 was a Spigen case. Now that I think about it. Spigen's been making cases for like years on end, so they know what they're doing. Nice secure fit, nice cutout for the flash there, nice cutouts for the mics. Buttons are clicky, as I mentioned. Big cutout at the bottom, so if you want to plug in any USB Type-C accessories, you can do that. Precision cutouts for the speaker as well. textured button for the power button, so you know it's actually the power button. I appreciate that. And then volume up down is also pretty clicky. Requires a little more force than the Crave. So ladies and gentlemen, final thoughts on this case. Best slim case you can buy right now. It's so minimalist, which I love. And it's just like, it makes your phone more compact, right? No one wants bulk on their phone from a case. Find me one person that likes a bulky case. I get it, like for those like drop protection enthusiasts out there who don't want anything done to their case, like they'll even have like the screen protector built into the case and stuff like that. Adds so much bulk, but I'm a minimalist. I like things being sleek. I like the cutouts here. I like the minimalist design. It wraps perfectly around the phone. I feel like you could pocket this so easily. But the thing is, the Crave doesn't add too much bulk either, and it adds a lot more protection at the same time. So I think this is still my number one. We do still have one more case by Spigen. Maybe that can overtake the Crave. We'll see. But right now, this one is a close second, and then the third has to go to the NTG case. And then in last place is clearly the one with the stand. What brand was that? ESR maybe? I can't remember. But yeah, if you want a nice, slim, minimalist case, go check out this Spigen Liquid Air case, linked below on Amazon. Go check it out and help me out at the same time if you make the purchase. It's affiliate links and that sort of thing, so you can help out the channel at the same time. So if you guys enjoyed this sort of content, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so make sure to smash that like button and help me with the YouTube algorithm and stuff like that. And yeah, road to 1,000 subs. We'll see you guys in the next video. Go check out this case. It's a banger. Peace out, guys.